from 89.
GE fan motor. Can't tell if you can see it or not.
TJO. 2.5 ton.
Got some big logo of the data.
Cool unit.
It's right here. From
Also,
89.
solid unit, in my opinion.
And we've got a Ruder Cheaper 10 series here.
Let's see. From 2000. It's a 2.5 ton UAKA.
Air conditioner.
Armstrong. Concept 10.
You got
Armstrong. Okay, Armstrong there. This is Goodman. I'm not going to go back there.
Concept 10.
I don't know.
And we got a good old Goodman. Dang, this is a big old unit right here.
Yeah, Rouge. Like,
what is this one? I'm assuming Reamer.
that's a Rouge right there. This is a classic 10 green. That's in almost perfect condition right there. And there's a Goodman falling down. And then here's a Rudy Keever. That was a nice top. And here's another Rudy Keever. And, the Amana Prestige. Interesting. I don't see very many of these. I might get the data. That thing's got a big sticker.
Where is the
The other one has a small one. Oh! There's even an older one. An older one. Really old one. Oh, I forgot. There's a lever right behind us. Now here.
Ruder Cheaper 10, Rude, another Armstrong probably.
There used to be a.
Oh, there's the bells.
Oh yeah. There's another Rudy Cheever. That top is in brand new condition. Here's another Goodman. I think this replaced a Rude. Here's another Rude.
I see.
This thing's almost brand new right here.
Yeah. I wonder what brand it is.
I don't know. I don't have any brand on it. Okay.
Huh.
That's all of them. You guys are good? This thing's big.
And some sort of ICP.
So this right here, this Goodman,
This
looks
one?
like it's a 1415 seer. It's a heat pump. This thing looks like it replaced, I already know, this thing replaced a Tech 2000, a bigger one. I remember seeing it. Hey, you know what? We should come here and get that Tech 2000 defroster sometime.
Yeah.
Here's an ICP. Big one. Is that a Goodman?
We got an Amana here as well. Oh, Goodman.
Oh, this one's frozen. It's been running. There's a Ream Classic 10 there. And a Amana. Which I assume is brand new.
Got an Amana.
Oh, that's got a big sticker on the top.
And we have
Wow.
a huge sticker on top of an ICP. Still not sure which one it is. But
These two Goodmans are Ream Classic 10. I'm not going that way because there's people down there. Actually, I can't tell. Maybe cool.
it's blowing warm air, so yeah. Cool mode. It is hot today. It's like almost 70. Yeah, this one's a straight
brand
cool.
new Goodman. Yep. And where's the reversing valve in there? I don't know. That's a straight cool. Here's an older Goodman. Oh, whoa. I remember this unit. This one, the blade fell off in there. I remember seeing this last time I was here. It's abandoned. The fan motor and the blade dumped in there.
Yeah, it looks like someone just took the tops off.
Oh, yeah. Heck, you do that? Here's an older, here's a brand new Goodman.
Brand new.
Brand new. It's a straight cool unit. Here's an Amana. Not brand new, but
Kyle,
new.
look at the compressor.
What about it? Rotary? Oh, it's got a rotary compressor. Interesting. Here's one of these, another decent condition piles.
Oh.
ICPs.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in this unit. It is heat pump.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it
Reversing
is.
valves on the back.
Oh, yeah. It's cool to see how to
ICP.
do it. I don't know if they're listening to that. I think that's all of these. I don't think there's any more of them. There's a few more down there. Oh, this little carrier. Oh, this is data. It's from
Linux. Here's the data. I'm not sure what the data is. I'm not sure if it's a heat pump or straight cool, so let me know in the comments.
The back of an office complex. Here's a
LX series.
No, not a Nordine.
Classic. No, just
Cool.
big compressor.
Oh, it's got a Bristol here.
Microchannel. Got another carrier. Here's the data. I'll get that for you. Got a train. Got another little carrier. Yep, this one's also from 99.
Looks like it might be weather maker? I don't know.
Weather
It
maker?
doesn't have pure on refrigerant label, so I don't think it is. But
Green seal.
I don't know what kind it is. It's got a
Nope, R410A.
Oh.
Refrigerant.
oh, but it doesn't have the pure on label.
It's from 99.
Maybe now. Huh. There's an older carrier from 01, just like mine. Hey, it looks like one of those blades. It's the kind that your carrier has.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it like 2000?
Well, whatever it
That one's
is.
got a compressor blanket. Oh, tripping. You can get the data on that one. Pioneer. It's a 13s here. Oh,
This one's got carrier on it.
Oh, yeah, cool. Only one that has it.
And this one's also got the pink tab.
So,
Probably from
these are solid
99.
units. These are even more solid than the older ones. Like, this real is solid.
No, it's like comfort over here.
Alrighty.
Got us an old ICP.
Carriers and
Can't get to the data. It's kind of hidden back there. We got another carrier.
Straight cool unit with a straight
Fetters.
Data's too far back. There's a carrier. Oh,
And
fetters.
then another tiny little carrier. Where's the
Four
data?
black blades. Usually the silver. Since it's from design. Wait, what the heck? One of the ones on. That's not the same. So we have 3 more carriers here. Big one, the big one is smaller one.
And there's a
I assume these are all
there's another
straight
carrier
cool
there.
units. Oh, that one's buried in there.
Oh,
Hey, look. For being classic.
Huh.
It would just need cleaning and it'd be about brand new, I assume.
and it's a little faded.
And that other side is really just where these houses right there. I can get the data.
99.
48,000 BTU straight cool unit. Then here's the data on the room. We got the room, another building. Here's a York microchannel. Oh. LX series. Interesting. York. Oh, what the heck? Yeah. Here's a carrier.
Here's a ring.
Yeah, green. Yeah, value. Oh, that carrier is filthy. Green value. Looks like it has a Gen Tech thing. It looks brand new, I should say. Although it's faded, blue. What kind of compressor is it got? It's got a Millennium scroll. Oh, look, what the heck? When they replaced this unit, they left the old pad here.
Train XR13.
Oh, huh.
That's the data.
When they actually used good compressors.
I haven't actually.
18 one. straight cool unit. It's a 48,000 BTU. Got the swept blade, and that's an LG compressor, LG scroll.
Actually, I was thinking that got replaced before.
Yeah, 13.
It's a big compressor
Oh,
blade
another
too.
one's like brand new.
I think that's out there.
This one's a better compressor right now. And it's carrying it. This is a good one. 12 series. It does 12 series. Nice. It sounded pretty nice. I can tell it's got a reciprocating compressor. I can tell it's got that kind of reciprocating. It's kind of awesome. There's a captain tiles up there, but we can't go up there because that place isn't a trespassing sign, as you can tell. Okay, so we got some more units. We got a Lennox, some Goodmans, a Lennox down there. This thing looks brand new.
I'm not even gonna talk because I'm eating.
That is a good one. I haven't been to this place in years. The blade looks pretty new. It's got a
I'm not gonna get the date off. For us.
Yeah, I'm too lazy to get out.
Goodman.
Oh, this looks like the newest. Straight cool.
This doesn't.
There's a capacitor.
It is
Got
a
a
ring.
Copeland scroll.
What year
Nice.
is it? 2013. Hey, it looks very new for being 2013.
13 series HPX. Doesn't HPX mean heat pump?
Yes. Actually, it's just
Oh, this is a
HP.
heat pump.
Just walked by quickly. Some big boy Nordines. 3-phase. I got that old Goodman here. Looks like another 3-phase ICP. And that's all.
You're almost right. 4.
I mean, it's technically a few, I guess.
What kind of compressor is that? A Millennium, I think. The bigger one of these have Millennium, it looks like. Let's see, GE fan motor.
Wait, where's the data?
No, it's a Carly compressor.
Carly.
Not a Millennium.
The data's faded. I can barely read it. It's from 2003, I think it says.
The logo must
They're
have been
all
released soon.
faded. Oh, this one. Whoa, where the
2005.
camera's capturing it, it's like glaring it. And
This one's from 2005, and it's a 5.
yeah, all from 2005 probably.
Also, it's a Carly compressor. This one's motor is in like brand new condition. It's a GE. You can see the little sticker piece that's coming off. You know, that protects it. Pretty cool units, honestly. It's really nice. Let me get some pictures.